We use Nano Banana to edit images. Now, with OmniFlash, we can edit videos the same way. Instead of starting over, just describe the changes you want. Add characters, change the environment, swap costumes, or even transform the entire style of the scene. Let's see it in action. Imagine creating a video, then simply telling the AI, make the camera move closer, change the weather to rain, replace the background with a cyberpunk city, make the character smile and continue the scene. No masking, no keyframes, no inpainting, no starting over from scratch. That's exactly what Google is bringing with Gemini OmniFlash inside Flow. Instead of generating a new video every time you want to change, you can edit the existing scene using natural language, almost like working with a real video editor. In this video, I'll show you how this new editing workflow works, what it can and can't do, and why it could completely change the way we create AI videos. Let's take a look at the cinematic cowboy scene. Right now, it's a simple chase sequence. 3 cowboys are chasing our hero across the open desert. It looks like a classic Western film. But what if we want to make the scene feel much bigger? Let's tell the AI to add more enemies. Now the chase is filled with horsemen charging across the landscape. The scale feels much more intense, and the whole sequence instantly becomes more epic. But let's take it even further. What if we transform this into a sci-fi western? Let's replace some of the horses with futuristic cybernetic mounts. Add advanced technology, glowing mechanical armor, and modern sci-fi elements throughout the scene. Just like that, our traditional cowboy chase has evolved into a futuristic western sci-fi movie, all without recreating the scene from scratch. And that's where this new editing workflow becomes really interesting. In this war scene, I started by adding more soldiers in the background to make the battlefield feel larger. Why stop there? Let's change the camera angle for a more cinematic perspective and add a tank rolling through the battlefield. With just a few edits, the scene becomes much more dynamic, immersive, and intense. Let's edit this anime fight scene. She lands a powerful kick straight to her opponent's face. Now let's add a pair of sunglasses. The moment the kick connects, the glasses crack from the impact. Next, let's make the landing feel even more powerful by having the ground shatter beneath her as she hits the floor. With just a few prompts, we're adding cinematic details that make the action far more dramatic. What about a cinematic battle between samurai and ninja? Wait, that's only a handful of fighters. Let's add more samurai and ninja across the background. Now we're talking. It instantly feels like a massive battle is about to begin. No VFX work, no compositing, no rotoscoping. Just a few AI prompts, and the scene scales from a small skirmish into an epic battlefield. Let's take a look at another example. What about changing the events inside the scene instead of just the visuals? Let's make the juice glass suddenly explode. Now let's change his facial expression to complete shock as it happens. With a few simple prompts, we're not just editing the look of the video, we're changing what actually happens in the scene.
You won't leave this cliff alive!
Just try and stop me!
Here's a video game-style fight scene. Let's destroy the ground they're standing on with a powerful lightning strike.
Cliff alive.
Just try and stop me!
Now let's have a kung fu master jump into the scene and knock out both fighters in a single move. Just like that, we've completely changed the action and the outcome of the scene with a few simple prompts. Here's a cinematic airplane scene. Let's make the situation more intense. A fire suddenly breaks out inside the cabin, and the passengers begin to panic.
Mayday, mayday! We have a fire in the cabin!
In just a few prompts, we've transformed a calm flight into a high-stakes emergency. Here's another fun example. This living room scene looks completely normal, but let's add a zombie sneaking up behind the man as he walks into the room. Now the entire mood changes. Without changing the camera or the actors, we've turned an ordinary family scene into the beginning of a zombie horror movie, all with a single edit. As you can see, this isn't just another AI video generator. Gemini OmniFlash lets you edit videos through conversation, just like editing an image with Nano Banana. Instead of starting over every time, you simply describe the changes you want, and the AI updates the existing scene. You can add or remove characters, change the environment, modify camera angles, alter the style, or even change what happens in the scene, all while preserving the original action. It also understands text, images, audio, and existing videos as inputs, making the editing process far more flexible than traditional text-to-video workflows. This feels less like prompting an AI video model and more like directing a film with natural language. If Google continues improving this technology, conversational video editing could become the new standard for AI filmmaking.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would create with Gemini Omni Flash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.